So you're installing Linux Mint and it asks, Cinnamon Xfce, mate, Cinnamon Xfce, mate. Here's the quickest way to pick the right one without second guessing. Think of these like 3 trims of the same car, same engine under the hood, Mint's packages, updates and apps, just different dashboards. If you want the most modern, polished experience, pick Cinnamon. It's Mint's flagship desktop. Smooth animations, a clean panel, applets, themes that feel cohesive, high DPI friendly, multi-monitor friendly. It just works out of the box, uses the most resources of the 3, still lighter than many big desktops. Use case, daily driver on a modern laptop or desktop. If your hardware is older, or you want maximum speed and battery life, go Xfce. It's the lightweight champ, fewer effects, uses less RAM, old school panel easy to tweak. You lose some eye candy, but gain snappiness and stability. Great for VMs, great for tiny SSDs, great for systems that thermal throttle easily. Use case, revive an old notebook or build a lean setup. Mate sits right in the middle, classic GNOME 2 style. Familiar menus, simple panels, fast enough, more modern than it looks. Lighter than Cinnamon, heavier than Xfce. Super consistent, think set it and forget it. Use case, traditional workflow and stability without minimalist Xfce. Let me speed run a decision tree. New to Linux and want the smoothest on-ramp? Cinnamon. 4GB RAM or less, or a very old CPU? Xfce. Prefer classic desktop metaphors and predictability? Mate. Multi-monitor, high DPI, gestures. Cinnamon. Battery life first? Xfce. Hate visual clutter but don't want to tinker? Mate. Customization. All 3 are tweakable. Cinnamon. Rich themes and applets. Xfce. Rearrange panels and buttons like Lego, minimal overhead. Mate. Traditional layouts with useful knobs. Performance. Xfce feels snappiest. Mate is comfortably fast. Cinnamon is smooth but slightly heavier. Stability, all solid. Xfce and Mate are boring in a good way. Gaming and GPUs. Cinnamon looks great with decent graphics. Xfce, safest for older or quirky drivers. Mate, steady pick with fewer compositing surprises. Still undecided? Make a live USB for each. Boot them and spend 10 minutes per desktop. Open a browser with 10 tabs. Tweak the panel. Plug in an external display. Watch RAM and CPU. Bottom line, Cinnamon for polish and modern features. Xfce for speed and longevity on any hardware. Mate for classic flow and balanced performance. Pick the one that fits your use case, not the loudest fans. You can always switch later. Happy minting.